Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video, I will explain one of the ITSM experience module, Agent Workspace, which includes overview, agent views, key features, and benefits. So let's start with overview. The ServiceNow ITSM Agent Workspace is designed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of ITSM. It provides the streamlined, intuitive interface that integrates various tools and functionalities tailored specifically for IT service agents. Single pane view. The agent workspace offer a unified single pane view where agents can access all necessary information and tools without navigating between multiple windows or tabs. This consolidated view enhances productivity for providing a comprehensive perspective of incidents, requests, and tasks, ensuring that all relevant data is readily available. Tabbed format. The workspace employs a tabbed format, allowing agents to work on multiple records simultaneously. The format facilitates multitasking and quick switching between different tasks, such as handling incident, requests, and changes without losing context. Targeted experience. The workspace provides a targeted experience tailored to the needs of IT service agents. It includes the features like offering relevant information and recommendation based on the current task, step-by-step guidance for handling specific types of requests or incidents, customizable dashboard and views with that align with the agent role and responsibilities. Data visualization. Data visualization in Agent Workspace helps in understanding trends, performance matrices, and other critical data at a glance. These visualization can include real-time dashboard showing KPIs and matrices, pre-configured and customizable reports that provide insight into various aspects of ITSM. Agent views. Landing page. The landing page in the agent workspace serve as the central hub where agents can quickly access and manage their work. It typically includes performance analytic widgets, display the key KPIs such as open incident, pending approvals, and SLA compliance, summarize the status of task and cases assigned to the agent or their team, provide shortcut to frequently used actions like creating new incident and viewing recent records. List view. The list view allows agents to see and manage multiple records at once, enable agents to quickly filter based record based on various criteria such as priority, assignment group, or status, allowing agents to perform actions on multiple records simultaneously such as changing status or assignment. Agents can personalize the columns displayed to show the most relevant information to their workflow. Record view. The record view is where the agents interact with individual records such as incidents or service requests, displays all relevant details of the record including fields for description, assignment and resolution, shows the history of the record including updates, comments and attachments. Agent chat. Agent chat facilitates real-time communication between agents and end user. Agents can engage in the live chat with users to provide immediate support and resolve issues faster, manage and route incoming chat requests to available agent based on predefined rules. Then key features. Agent Workspace provides several key features that caters to the needs of experienced ServiceNow developers and support engineers. Integrated communication channels. Agent Workspace in the ITSM integrates multiple communication channels, allowing agents to handle all interaction from a single interface. This includes chat, voice, and email. Integration with the virtual agents and AI-driven chatbots enhance the efficiency and responsiveness of service operations. Integrated email client. The integrated email client within the agent workspace streamline communication by enabling agents to send and receive emails directly from the workspace. This eliminates the need to switch between different applications, improving productivity and reducing response times. Agent assistance. Agent assistance is powered by AI and machine learning to provide a real-time recommendations and insights to agents. This includes suggesting relevant knowledge-based articles, identifying potential incident duplicates, and recommending the next best actions based on the historical data and trends. Playbooks Playbooks in virtual agents are designed to guide agents through complex processes with step-by-step instruction. These playbooks are customizable and can be tailored to specific workflows, ensuring that agents follow best practices and maintain consistency in service delivery. Reorder workspace tab. Agents have a flexibility to reorder workspace tabs according to their preference and work style. The customization allows for the personalized and efficient workspace, enabling agents to prioritize their task and access the most critical information quickly. Benefits: increased productivity. The agent workspace provides a single streamlined interface that integrates various ITSM functionalities. This eliminates the need for agents to switch between multiple applications, thereby saving time and reducing context switching. Leveraging the Now platform's capability, including automation and AI-driven insights, agents can resolve incidents faster and more efficiently. Deliver engaging experiences. The workspace offers an intuitive and customizable UI, make it easier for the agents to navigate and perform their task. The user of NLU further enhance interaction by understanding and processing user queries efficiently. Work smart, work fast. The workspace provides real-time data and analytics, enable agents to make informed decisions quickly. This includes visibility into operational trends and key matrices, the highlights areas needing immediate attention. With the integrating of automated workflows, repetitive tasks are minimized, allowing agents to focus on the complex issues that require human intervention. Build quickly. The Now platform enables rapid development and deployment of custom application and workflows with low code tools. This allows for the quick adaptation to changing business needs without extensive department cycle. ServiceNow cloud-based infrastructures ensures the solution can scale with the business, accommodating increasing workloads and additional functionalities without performance adoption. These benefits collectively enhance the capability of ITSM agents, making them more productive, providing engaging and efficient support experience, and allowing for quick adoption and growth with the organization. So that's all about Agent Workspace. Thank you.